Hello, this is Lamar Ellis with Drone Education Services. Today we're going to be clearing the lot on 500 flights and counting. Well, we have another ground-based day. I was still getting used to the overall magnitude of this project. There had been so much activity on the site over the past several days that I had not had a chance to fly without the trees. I knew I was going to need to develop some flight patterns and was waiting for the opportunity to get started. The big oaks had been cut down, but the stumps still remained, and today was the day that the skid steer was used to tear them out of the ground. The smaller trees were being relocated to try to be saved. It really amazed me at how easy it was to cut down a large tree and then remove all of its existence from a site. As the lot was being cleared, the skid steer was also forming the lot for development. The skid steer was putting two large piles of dirt and rock, and they were placed in the front and the rear of the site for later use. The excess dirt was being removed from the site and was being put in a dumpster to be hauled off. I really didn't realize at the time, but a dumpster in front of this property was going to be a common sight throughout the rest of this project. As the site was cleared and the work area was becoming more defined, I began to get more comfortable with filming, and I was able to get closer on the ground. I was also experimenting and telling a story with construction. I found it easy to film from several different locations of different operations, such as removing dirt, and then I could form it all together to appear as if it was one shot. I had truly become Hollywood. I was really looking forward to getting back into the air. This was going to be a fun project.